How to remove suggestions on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove suggestions on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your suggestions on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Instagram. Let's say you're on the home page, you're browsing through your feed, but after a couple of posts you'll find a section where it says suggested posts, and it's really annoying because you don't want to see the suggested post and it is personally not to your own liking. Well, recently there has been a feature that can help you turn this thing off. So for that, all you have to do is just come to your profile page from the bottom right hand side, then just tap the three lines icon from the top right, then just go to settings. When you go to settings, you'll find an option where it says suggested content, so you want to make sure to tap on suggested content, and then right over here you'll find all the sorts of options where it says snooze suggested posts. Now this is still in a beta testing phase because personally you can say it's not working in mine, but it could be working in yours. When you just turn on this, that says suggested posts are hidden in feed for 30 more days, it will mean that the suggested post will be successfully hidden from your Instagram home feed. This is how you can remove suggestions on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.